Hey everyone, welcome back to iFlera. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install WebStorm on your Mac, whether you're using an Intel-based Mac or an Apple Silicon model. This guide works for both, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. I'm using Brave, but Safari, Chrome, or Firefox will work too. In the search bar, type Download WebStorm and press Enter. Click on the official JetBrains website from the search results. I've also added the direct link in the description below. Once you're on the download page, choose your Mac type, Intel or Apple Silicon, and click the download button. Save the installer to your downloads folder. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. When it's done, go to your downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A new window will open. Just drag the WebStorm icon into the Applications folder. This will copy WebStorm to your Mac. After that, you can close the window and move the installer to the trash to keep things tidy. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and launch WebStorm. If you see a message saying WebStorm was downloaded from the internet, click Open to continue. On first launch, accept the user agreement by clicking Continue. If you already have a license, select Activate and enter your details. If not, just click Start Free Trial to explore the app for free. And that's it. You've successfully installed WebStorm on your Mac. You're all set to start coding. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more simple tech tutorials.